Imagine facing a truth so hard to swallow that it shakes the very core of your beliefs, admitting that you've been worshiping God incorrectly all your life. It's a daunting realization, especially when you've prided yourself on being a good, church-going person, not like those who openly commit sins like adultery, theft, or violence. Acknowledging such a profound mistake demands a level of humility most are unwilling to embrace. It means putting aside your ego, admitting your faults, and prioritizing the divine truth over personal convictions. This is a journey far more challenging than it appears. People spend their lives praising and believing in God, making it extremely difficult to accept that they might be practicing their faith wrongly. The root of this issue isn't complex or irreversible, but it requires a willingness to confront an uncomfortable truth, that the error lies with the individual. Many, in their quest to know God, have relied too heavily on religious leaders, accepting their teachings without personal verification. They haven't tested these teachings against the scriptures or sought divine guidance in their understanding. This lack of personal inquiry and reliance on indoctrination can lead to a profound disconnect when they finally stand before the divine. The real error isn't just following the wrong leaders. It's failing to seek a personal, deeper relationship with God. This lazy faith leads to a superficial understanding of the divine, contradicting the scriptural call to study and show oneself approved. With so many deceptions coming to light, this call to diligent study and avoidance of idle babblings is more relevant than ever. The message of 2 Timothy. Chapter 2, verses 15 and 17 emphasizes the importance of rightly dividing the word of truth and steering clear of misleading doctrines. Failing to do so has led many into a spiritual battle, trapped in a religious prison of their own making, becoming what might be described as the apostate church. This message is a wake-up call, especially in light of recent revelations about the pre-tribulation rapture and other doctrinal errors that have been ingrained in many believers. It's a call to humility, to repentance, and to a genuine pursuit of divine truth, breaking free from the comfort of familiar falsehoods. This isn't just about correcting theological misunderstandings. It's about saving souls and rekindling a true, deep, personal faith in the divine.